Okay, now let's do the practice problems on this section 1.7.2. It's asking us for questions 1 to 2, identify the pattern in the sequence of numbers, and then extend the sequence by one number. So here I go. From a 5 to a 9, from a 9 to a 13, from a 13 to a 17. Again, these are pretty simple numbers, but the process I'm doing in my mind is I'm doing 17 minus 13, and I'm seeing that that equals 4. And then I'm doing 13 minus 9, and I'm seeing that that equals 4. And finally, I do that 9 minus 5 also equals 4. And by seeing that constant rate, the same subtraction, same addition, you're adding 4, adding 4, adding 4, I can say that this is an arithmetic sequence. And then they wanted us to extend it by one number. So to add 4 to 7, my next number would be 21. The next one goes from 3 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 24, 24 to 48. Again, you guys can probably do this in your head, but what I'm technically doing is I'm doing 48 over 24, and I'm noticing that that equals 2. And then you do that to all the terms. 24 divided by 12, I'm noticing that that equals 2, etc. 12 divided by 6, 6 divided by 3, it all equals 2. So I can tell that this one is a geometric sequence, because it has a common ratio of 2. And so my next number for this one, when I take 48 and multiply it by 2, would be 96. For questions 3 to 5, identify as arithmetic or geometric sequence or neither. 1/2 to 1, 1 to 3 halves to 2. This one is going up by a half each time, adding 1/2. So this is an arithmetic sequence. From 26 to 21, 21 to 16, 16 to 11. This one's going down by 5 each time, so it's an arithmetic sequence. 64 to 16, 16 to 4, 4 to 1, and 1 split into 1/4. This is a geometric sequence because it's dividing by 4 each time, or it has a multiplier of 1/4. For question 6 to 8, identify the common difference or common ratio. From 3 to 15, 15 to 75, 75. This one is multiplying by 3. By 5. From 61 to 58, 58 to 55, 55 to 52. This is subtracting 3. So common difference is -3. 1/3 to 1/6, 1/6 to 1/12, 1/12 to 1/24. This one is multiplying by 1/2. So how did I get those numbers? If those weren't coming naturally to you, over here I would have tested subtraction first. 15 minus 3 and 75 minus 15, it's not a constant rate. So then I try the division. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 75 divided by 15 is 5. There's my common ratio. I usually test the subtraction or the addition first and then see if it's got a common ratio second. So test these in subtraction, it works. Your common difference. Notice it's going down, it's decreasing, so it needed to be negative. For questions 9 and 10, categorize each graph as linear increasing, linear decreasing, exponential growth, or exponential decay. So this first one is linear and it's going up, so it's linear increasing. Second one is going down in a curve, so it's exponential decay. And that's the end.